Yeah, Swami, you are omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, so anywhere you are there with me. Your prayer has to be answered. Whatever it is, now you pray, it will happen. Life Swami trained me in such a way that I left Swami's place, came, studied in Bangalore, took up a job in Bangalore, and after 2.5 years, 3 years, I left my job. With no job in the hand, with family, married, child is expected any time. So every song is very, very close in different way. So this song also I want to share this experience. When I left the job, I was very blissful, to be frank with you. Fortunately, Swami blessed me with a wonderful wife who never questioned me, why did you leave the job? When I came back home after leaving the job on January 8th, 1989, I still remember the day very well. I physically left Swami on February 14th, so-called Valentine's Day. Physically leaving the Valentine, our Swami, I have to tell you that after this I'll come to this. Getting the opportunity to sing for Swami for 5.5 years, those time high pitch without mic I used to shout. Many people know. Tarakeshwar is here. I used to sing high pitch, very loud voice. Swami used to love that. And imagine, after getting so much of opportunity and maximum for all the bhajan, Swami will put 3 speeds. Very rarely I got 2 speeds bhajan. Always he will go. Even if I sing slow song, he'll put 3rd speed. And he gave room duty upstairs. Then he gave us room. Every month he will spend money on us. He gave us food. He gave us everything. Taking care of us extremely well. I told you, mind. So we mind a lot in our life. So one day mind says, you go to Bangalore, you have more responsibility, you go. If you ask me whether I did my responsibility, I don't know. I am sorry. But when mind says go, then I told Swami, Swami, I have to go to Bangalore, I have few duties pending, I have to do that, this, that. Swami told, లక్షోపలక్ష జనాలు ఇక్కడ వచ్చి నన్ను చూస్తున్నారు ఒక దర్శన కోసం, దగ్గర పెట్టుకున్నాను, అన్నీ చేస్తా ఉన్నాను, నీకు ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి అంటున్నావే. లక్షోపలక్ష జనాలు వచ్చి చూస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళందరూ పిచ్చివాళ్ళ? మీన్స్ lakhs and lakhs of people come to see me for few days here and they pine for my darshan. I have kept you with me. And then here you say you want to go. Do you think these lakhs of people are mad? I told Swami, yes. Em cheptunnavu? Next Swami asked. I told Swami, they are mad, that's why they come. Because that time it was a pure village, no facilities. They are mad, that's why they are coming here. Again Swami, em ilaga maatladutunnavu? What are you talking? Then I told, లేదు Swami, మీ పైన పిచ్చి. They are mad after you. That's why they are coming. Then tell me why you want to go. I asked Swami, you are omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, so anywhere you are there with me. There is no doubt for me. You will take care of me. Then finally Swami agreed, and February 14, 1984 it was, I was leaving. Swami gave prasadam. Then I thought, last opportunity, I'll sing a bhajan in front of Swami. That was the day this bhajan was introduced. Somebody composed this, but till then nobody sang this bhajan. So I sat, I was crying in my heart because tomorrow onwards I am not physically going to sing in front of Swami. So I took this bhajan, Sai Prema De, Shanti De, Anand De, Sai Premade. Swami immediately shook his shoulder. Like that he did. Then I was all the more feeling bad because Swami said, no use like that. But I continued, he put 3 speeds for that also. I was so emotional that day because, I am physically leaving him. I cried. Sai Prema De, Shanti De, Anand De, Baba Prema De.
Sai Prema De, Shanti De, Anand De, Baba Prema De.
After singing this bhajan, I thought, Swami, now when will I get this opportunity? I myself have decided to cut this opportunity. So with a very sad feeling, I came out, stood near the last pillar in the mandir, thinking one more darshan, if Swami goes out to Gokulam, then I can have his darshan, then leave. Because as a student physically close to Swami, enjoying all the privileges, you are throwing away everything and you are walking out. Now you don't know whether this opportunity will come. So it is with that feeling I was standing with me one Arivaditan. He was also there standing near because Swami was going fortunately to Gokulam. He opened the door, he was coming out. When he was walking towards me, my heart was really palpitating. Swami, look at me with a smile. Bless me and then send me. Don't send me like this. Without seeing my face, if you send me, I'll think that you are angry with me. Have one word or at least a smile, a look is enough for me. So I was praying. I was standing near the Swami was coming. But how he was coming? Catching the rope, putting the head down, looking the floor and adjusting his hair. All this thing he was doing and he was coming. So my heart is more, he is coming towards me because car is there, not for me. Car is there. So he was coming towards me. I said, Swami, please Swami, look at me, smile at me, say a word to me so that I think I go with your blessing. Then when I am praying like this, Swami still coming near me, he was down only. Then my heart is totally shattered. But one thing, my brothers and sisters, your prayer has to be answered. Whatever it is, now you pray, it will happen. So that prayer was so powerful. Cry, the anguish, everything, separation, everything come your heart and you cry and you are praying like that. Coming near me and then looked at me. I thought, now my weight went down, bharam went down. Looked at me. What will you do in Bangalore? Question. Swami, computer engineering Swami. Paatalu padapotunnava? Are you going to sing? That's what he told. Then I thought, no Swami, computer engineering, because I am not a big Balamurali Krishna or Anuj Lota or Jesdas. So you cannot live with music profession. I know very well. So I told Swami, computer engineering. Swami said, Paatlu padapotunnava, manchiga vellira. Then I thought his hair is covering the ear, so he cannot hear properly. So I told Swami, లేదు Swami, computer engineering Swami. మంచిగా ఎప్పుడు స్వామి నీతోటి ఉంటాను. ఆల్వేస్ స్వామి విత్ యూ. మంచిగా వెళ్ళి పాడిరా. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ హీ టోల్డ్ గో అండ్ సింగ్. What we think, we plan our lives, we have so many imaginations. I have done this, next I will do that, then the life will take that turn and that. Perfection to the core, chart out your program and then you think you are everything. So I was thinking, what is this? I am telling computer engineering, Swami is telling Manchika. I totally forgot this episode. Again, Arivadithan, my friend, reminded me because it happened so. On 1989, January 8th, I left my job. After that, my life is only singing, 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 singing. Always singing.